everybody, what's up? So at 17 I discovered something really crazy which I think if I will learn today, I will definitely make money in the future. You know what, everybody is telling you to learn one skill, at least one skill, so that you can make money in the future, but nobody is telling you about the skill that will gonna dominate in the future. Mark my word, this skill confirm that you will definitely make money in the future through that skill, that one skill. All my teenagers, please come here, please listen carefully. This is the skill that is social media marketing. What? Social media marketing? Is that a skill? Is that a joke? No, this is not a joke. But this is that something school never told us. This is not in our school syllabus. Oh my god, then what is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, fine. Our education system is only responsible for leaking papers and earning money. Oh my god, they need more money. They need more money. I think we earn money by learning a skill. They earn money by leaking papers. Good. Anyway, no matter what, social media marketing is something that will blow your mind. I personally feel that it's a gift for me. It's a gift for us actually. Social media marketing is something that will provide multiple sources of income. And if you really want to make huge amount of money in your entire bloodline, you don't have to rely only one source of income, right? Like I want to make a really big money in my life, in my entire bloodline. Ha 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 ha. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. So yeah, this is the skill that is gift for us. Once we learn, you don't have to stress about tomorrow for money. Bye.